Let's face it, in the investing world, free doesn't exactly scream reliable or top-notch. We're bombarded with hidden fees, minimum balances, and confusing account structures. So, when a platform like Wealthsimple pops up with a big, bold free sign, it's natural to be skeptical. Can it really be that good? Context and introduction, 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Today, we're diving deep into Wealthsimple's free offerings, dissecting the how and why behind their pricing model. We'll explore what you actually get for free, uncover any potential catches, and see if Wealthsimple can truly be your one-stop shop for commission-free investing or hassle-free tax filing. Now, Wealthsimple isn't a new kid on the block. They've carved a niche for themselves, especially in Canada, by focusing on a user-friendly, app-based approach to investing. But is user-friendly synonymous with free? Buckle up, because we're about to find out. Free stock trading, the big draw, 1 to 2:30. Let's start with the headliner, commission-free stock and ETF trading. This is a game changer, especially for beginners who might be discouraged by the per trade fees traditional brokerages charge. With Wealthsimple, you can buy and sell those hot tech stocks or that reliable blue-chip company without getting nickel-and-dimed on every transaction. Here's the beauty, there are no minimum account balances to unlock this perk. You can literally start with a couple bucks and invest in fractions of shares. This makes Wealthsimple super accessible for anyone dipping their toes into the investing pool. But is it truly free? 2:30 to 3 o'clock. Hold on a sec, finance cowboys. Remember that age-old saying, there's no such thing as a free lunch? Well, it applies here too. While Wealthsimple doesn't charge commission fees, they do have some hidden costs to be aware of. The biggest one? Currency conversion fees. If you're trading US stocks, you'll be charged a 1.5% fee to convert your Canadian dollars. This can eat into your profits, especially for smaller trades. There are also margin interest fees if you choose to borrow money to invest, which can be risky for beginners. Free tax filing, a charitable cause, 3 to 4 o'clock. Wealthsimple also boasts a free tax filing service called Wealthsimple Tax. Now, here's the deal, it's not entirely free in the traditional sense. They operate on a pay-what-you-want model. You can file your taxes completely free, but they encourage a voluntary contribution to help maintain the platform. Think of it like a donation to keep a valuable service accessible for everyone. It's a win-win, you save money on tax prep, and Wealthsimple keeps the service running for future filers. What's the catch with free tax filing? 4 to 4:30. There are a few limitations to keep in mind with Wealthsimple Tax. It's primarily designed for simpler tax situations. If you have self-employment income, complex investments, or run a business, you might need a more robust tax filing software with advanced features. Additionally, Wealthsimple Tax doesn't offer audit support. So, if the tax man comes knocking, you'll be on your own. Free resources and perks, 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Wealthsimple goes beyond just free trading and tax filing. They offer a wealth of educational resources, articles, videos, and webinars to help you navigate the investing world. It's a great way to learn the ropes before diving in with your hard-earned cash. They also have a robo-advisor service called Wealthsimple Invest. This automated investing option creates a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and goals. There's a management fee associated with this service, but it can be a good option for hands-off investors. The verdict, is Wealthsimple right for you? 5 to 6 o'clock. So, is Wealthsimple the ultimate free investing and tax filing utopia? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. Here's who Wealthsimple is perfect for. Beginners who want to dip their toes in stock trading without hefty fees. Casual investors.